Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8K subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse, and the storyline will be around Zodwa. So Zodwa's pictures will be the ones that are circulating the most. But before we even get there, can we start and give Unomkhosi her flowers? Like, yo, Gimtandile Unomkhosi. Unomkhosi put Usbahle in her place. The reason I'm saying that is that besides everything else, Usbahle is a woman, right? I know she's still young. But at this point, she cannot be allowing her dad to manipulate her into choosing ukwenza kabi while Umabusi is bleeding. Like, Umabusi is bleeding and we can see Ugusi girl is not okay. She just lost her mom and nango umuntu wants to use the situation and capitalize against it. Ngithi unomkhosi wathi ngithi haka amatorokisi. Aburkhwa. Awamxosha. Wamxosha igeli wahamba waya kibo wayokhala sikanandi babakhathi ngithi uyabuyela angakakha amanzi usiphamandla awubuyila before siphamandla what is the direct translation now? Ukha amanzi, right? Before Spamandla drinks the water. I don't know. That's not the direct translation, but okay, guys, help me out. But before Spamandla Akamans, you're not supposed to come back. You're supposed to stay there until he drinks the water or he pours the water. Yeah, until he pours the water. Thank you. Then with that said, the Sbahle thing is on hold. Now, Ngalega Gumete, things are not going as they are supposed to. Ukabisile is frustrated, Ukabisile is crying, Ukabisile is all over the place because Unobuntu is not coming into place. I'm asking myself, Unobuntu Vele, her phone is always that off. She doesn't know, she doesn't want to be in touch, understanding that Umabusi can go at any time. That's odd. But maybe the real Barkemang Nobuntu is coming back this season. What we don't know. What we know is Ukabisile wants her sister to support her. But it cannot happen. Phakathwayo naye uyakhala. Phakathwayo is not coping. Phakathwayo is not okay. Phakathwayo has just lost the love of his life. And because of that, he's just bleeding emotionally. He's emotionally bleeding and things are not going as they should be going for him because everything that he loves seems to be disappearing. Okay, ask Mam Zobe to say, can you talk to Abantu Bakamzobe so that we can bury Zodwa lana, because Zodwa is one of us. Literally, she stayed here in I bafike ke abantu bakamzobe yazi umamzobe ahluleka ukukhuluma umamzobe abe yisimumu, and the family said no, you cannot bury Zodwa here because you do not pay lobola for her. I was like, I know, but maybe they will lobola her in her death. We don't know. What we know is that Uzamxolo did go and pay his respects, and I was like, is he supposed to even be there? Because culturally there's something. It's either some Makoti is not supposed to see Babezala. I don't get it. And because they are a church that practices cultural things, please educate me and tell me, was he supposed to be there or was he not supposed to be there? But he did his part. What I like is that he comforted Unoma for the best way he could. He knew how. And the family is making sure that they are guarding Umtanaga Mabusi while she is mourning for her mom. But yeah, well, all we can say is that rest in peace, Zodwa, and let's see where season 2 is getting us to. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.